What's going on, YouTube? This Tate Thurman 96, and I'm back today with some more footage. Today we'll be recording my 1975 Caprice Convertible and showing the upgrades that I'm doing on the car. It's been a long process, almost 2.5 years, and I'm still working on the car, and my air is not blowing properly. So today I will be installing all new air products. I already installed the new compressor on the car. Today I'm gonna put a new evaporator core on it. And I'm also gonna put a new dryer on it and run the lines for the car to be able to take 134A. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe to my channel to see future content and any updates and upgrades I'm doing to cars, race cars, and much more. Thank you guys so much for your support. Now we're taking this old VIR dryer system off and about to place it with the new. Mike is the man for the job. I wish I could learn how to do some of this stuff, y'all, so I won't have to wear them so much.
All you gotta do is pick up the tools, man. Get after it.
It's a little dirty under here. I got to clean up under here a lot. This compound under here, but I'm taking this old dryer off the car. Can't wait to blow some snowballs. Got that line up out of there. Still got dye on it from the last mechanic trying to work on it. What these shops, I tell you.
Trying to find a leak.
Yeah. I think the guy probably tried to take R12 or 134 and put it on top of one of those without draining it out properly.
Right. Yeah,
so he probably he probably clogged it up.
Yeah, he did something crazy to it like that.
Right. So I was like, instead of just getting one thing, you might as well just buy it all. And
yeah, if you're gonna do the evaporator, you might as well get it all.
Right.
No doubt about it. I mean, you got this little line to deal with right here if you didn't do it.
Right.
There's several little, this little line right here will be different when we get through. I got everything to make lines with me. I hope I don't need anything else.
Right, okay.
But I can make most of the lines you need. Pull subframe out or drop them out the bottom.
Right.
I just stick them on the top still.
That old dryer's out. I can't wait till that evaporator core get up in there. Y'all got to bear with me and Mr. Mike. Mr. Mike do not like this internet stuff. He like me, you guys. Yes, sir. Stay tuned, guys. Look like that's a relay or something right there.
Yeah.
Much as I know about cars, I couldn't put this on when you paid me to do it. If it came with instructions, I couldn't do it.
Oh, yeah, you could.
Damn, so the evaporator cord right there, you didn't have to take the fender off of it.
How many I had to take the fender off?
Right. I had one guy telling me that, man, you're gonna break the box. You're gonna break the box getting it off.
You can if you ain't real careful now. You can break that box.
Right.
But if you've done a couple of them, you can get it off there without too much trouble.
Right. That's why it's all about knowing the right people.
You come out of there just like that.
Wow. Look at that evaporator cord. I'm just shocked to see how it even looks.
There's your problem.
Wow.
A lot of it.
This is why I couldn't get no air. The whole nest in that thing.
That's a lot of it.
Jesus. all kind of of trash. And I wonder how that stuff got up in there.
Man, it's the way the vent, the cow panel is up here.
Right.
That stuff will find anywhere to get in, where the recirculation door is and all that. Come straight in the car.
Look at that,
A whole
though.
bunch of years of stuff though.
Right.
It's been leaking a little bit too. See how dark it is right there?
Uh-huh.
That's probably the Freon. Yeah, you see all the Freon on the bottom of it?
Mm-hmm.
The dye.
Wow.
That's where your Freon been going. Sure enough.
I had to put the cover on my baby. I could not afford to stretch anything up while you were working on it. Out with the old and in with the new, baby. New evaporator cord sitting in there good. Next, we got to put this new dryer on. And man, I am still surprised about how much stuff was in that old evaporator cord, man. It was very nasty on there. We got the new dryer on from old auto parts right there. New evaporator cord is in. I also have a
Resistor.
this air conditioning part right here. It's from GM. It's an OEM part, brand new, never used, that I ordered from eBay. And I think it controls the speed of the air. I'm gonna put it on.
It does.
Right there. Okay. I know a little something.
Yeah.
Yep, everything back nice and neat like it came from the factory. Nice and neat. I'm ready to see if they're gonna blow some snowballs. I wanted to fog that window up, Mr. Mike.
I hope it does, man. It should. I don't know why it
Yeah,
wouldn't.
it should. Everything you do,
I don't
homie.
know why it wouldn't.
Everything you do. Now we're putting a new resistor in. And this resistor is supposed to control the speed of the blower motor, like from cutting the air conditioner on low to high. That's what Mr. Mike is recording now. The other one appears to be in good shape, but I like if you're doing something new, you may as well do everything you do and do it right. So now we'll be installing that. And that's a brand new OEM part. It's never been used, and I bought from off eBay. Getting in here like it was about 2 bolts and just plugging it back in. This is the old resistor that controls the blower speeds, like from cutting the air conditioner on high to low to medium. It did work, but I like replacing everything new, so that's why I just put the new one on. It was a brand new OEM part from eBay that I ordered, never been used. So it's like a brand new part, never been used. I think they call it, I don't know if you call it OEM. I know it's new, but it's the same part like they made from the factory. You ready to charge this baby up? Freon, hooking the hose to the dryer. Mr. Mike is the man for the job. Yes, sir. Moment I've been waiting for. I'm tired of sweating, you guys. Charging it with Freon in it.
I crank it up and turn it on.
Okay. Let's crank it up. don't know if y'all guys can hear the blower motor working. I'm just in love, you guys, all over again. I don't even want to get out of the car.